Have you noticed how high your home and auto insurance bills have become lately? Well, you're not imagining things. The truth is, prices are higher than ever, leaving Americans no other choice but to pay up or lose coverage. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, premiums are at their highest level in 47 years.
According to the latest Consumer Price Index, car insurance prices have surged by 22% in just 1 year. Homeowners insurance, which isn't even factored into the CPI, saw an increase of over 20% from 2022 to 2023. And just like you, we're wondering, why the sudden surge? Blame it on the perfect storm of extreme weather, costlier repairs, and more accidents with significant damage. And on top of that, higher reinsurance costs. In Florida, some annual insurance policies are now reaching six figures, leaving hardworking families scrambling to make ends meet. Experts say the recent uptick in insurance costs is because premiums aren't keeping up with the property damage costs. While price hikes are expected to continue this year, they're projected to slow down eventually, giving all of us some much-needed relief.
And Mark Friedlander from the Insurance Information Institute joins us now to discuss all this. Mark, welcome to the show.
Thanks so much for having me this evening.
Okay, on average, insurance companies sought to raise homeowners' premiums by more than 11% last year. This is according to the S&P Global Market Intelligence. That outpaced inflation. It's hard to believe. Some people are seeing a $600 spike. As Chris mentioned, we hope this will go down, but how long could that take?
But one of the factors you need to look at is replacement costs. We did an analysis of the Insurance Information Institute that shows replacement costs cumulatively increased 55% between 2019 and 2022, nearly 4 times the U.S. inflation rate.
So last year, Chris also mentioned this, there were around 24 severe storms in the U.S. with billion-dollar price tags. How much did that have an impact on insurance prices? What's the ultimate culprit?
Actually, $28 billion weather and climate catastrophe events last year. Of that, there was $60 billion in severe convective storms, the most ever on record. That has a significant impact on the cost of home insurance.
So auto insurance is actually required in nearly all 50 states, and lenders typically require homeowners to carry insurance as well. So where does this leave customers who can't pay these higher premiums?
It's making it very challenging, but there are a lot of things that consumers could do to reduce their costs. One is bundling home and auto, meaning you purchase both policies with the same company. There's many types of discounts available. You could adjust your deductibles, which could bring down the cost of your premiums significantly. Our suggestion is do what you can, work with your insurance agent to reduce costs, but don't drop your coverage.
Okay, so is it not smart to shop around? Because some people say just shop around, but you're saying don't drop it or don't switch either.
Well, no, I'm not saying don't switch. I'm
Okay.
saying, work with your agent, see if you could reduce the cost of your current policies. If that's not enough relief, then it's time to shop. And we recommend when you do shop, get at least 3 quotes so you have comparative quotes because pricing could be very different between companies, clearly
Oh,
different.
all right, some great and much needed advice. Thanks, Mark. Good to see you.